Hi, my name is Juan Cortez and the project is called Surrounding Worlds. The zoologist Jacob von Wexkull had a musical idea of nature as a symphony of bubbles that surrounded animals and determined their ecological relationships. These bubbles were baptized under the name of Umwelt, the surrounding world that contains everything that is significant to the animal. This concept goes against anthropocentrism and allows the animal to be thought as an agent that possesses a world and not just as a passive machine of reactions. According to Rivera de Castro, we find a way of approaching Amerindian cultures to animals that is very close to the implications of Umwelt. For Amerindians, animals are also agents, indispensable for the cosmogonic organization of their community. In fact, skins, fangs, and canes are technological prostheses that complement the human body and operate as communication channels with invisible dimensions. These outfits help to extend their mind to other realms, acting as enablers of our interrealm communication. Just as the Amerindians use these materials to connect different dimensions, for us, electronic art continues to have magical character that consists of rethinking technology as a network creator. Technology is uplifted when its possibility of active magical connection is understood. The Umwelt changes the condition of the animal from passive to active, and magic changes the condition of the technological object from a simple instrument to an agent of the community. Our prostheses operate as retroactive control of a video game where the Golden Rebel bird Umwelt is staged. These were manufactured from a biological study and a real migration study from 2014. The birds face adverse conditions due to the global warming that generated storms on the coast of Florida. This caused the birds to alter their migratory routes, being forced to explore an alternative route through Mexico and Central America and finally reaching Colombia. The video game recovers the Amerindian technological gesture of adopting the point of view of the animal. The prosthesis is the control of the main character of the game, who must overcome obstacles by detecting magnetic fields and seeds with infrared vision. The game problematizes Umwelt's relations with the technological and political activities that pollute the environment, for example walls, electric fences, and communication antennas. Understanding the implication of migration has to do with understanding that the bird, in its journey, is a seed disperser, that is a forest weaver. The bird recovers and fits ecological niches. This Umwelt serves as contrast to think about the complexity of migration and massive displacement in the human sphere. Through art generates the possibility of imagining new scenarios and alternative atmospheres where biodiversity as a production of difference from nature recovers its power in a gesture of resistance to our current global scenario.